as you come into the house from the front door, the first room that you see here, this is the stairs, and the first room that you see is the living room. Yeah, so it has a door. When you open the door, you see my sitting space. So let me just close this door. So it comes fully furnished. So this is a cozy chair, and then you have a Buddha painting up there. I like that painting. Then on the side you have your window. That is basically it springs. So that's my front yard. It's quite pretty. You can see some flowers and my neighbors. And then on the corner here, this is where I have my TV. I know I was thinking of maybe mounting it up here, but then this is functional. I can move it anywhere I want with the wherever I want to watch. So this is functional for me. And then what I would say the centerpiece is for this house is basically the fireplace. So this is an electric fireplace, and then it comes with a mirror up there, so you can see my hand there. Yeah, and then it's quite a small functional space. Yeah, because this is just how it looks. You have a couch that can sit like 3 people, and then I have my throw blanket there. The other door that you're seeing there basically leads to the kitchen. Yeah, but then at this corner I can say you have a small reading space. I call it my functional space, because you're basically far away from everything. Like you're far away from the window, you're far away from all the noise. You're just here sitting and reading. Yeah, it came with the decoration. So my landlord had the mirrors, and I think he was going for a gold and gray look, because the couch is gray, and then you have all these mirrors that are gold accents. So from the living room, you have this door that leads you to my kitchen. It's a pretty standard size. I actually love it. And then this door leads to my backyard, which you'll see from the window because it's a bit cold, so I can't go outside. And then the square door here is just like I would say a pantry, but it's more like a storage. So it just has lots of clutter in there. And then you have upper cabinets here that just for storage, whatever you like, things like that, it's just a cabinet. And then you have the lower cabinets here for more storage. And then you have your cooking area. So I noticed the colors are black, so I have my hob here, and then which is black, and then it's black, silver, and gray, then my oven, and a number of drawers. I would say, like, what I love is that the storage is, I would say, enough. Sometimes you get to kitchens and you don't have enough storage, but here you have drawers for everything. And then my washing area, and as you can see, yeah, that's my backyard. It's actually beautiful, especially during summer. You can chill outside there because it's a big space. And then I usually hang my clothes there when the weather is warm, but now let's just say we are indoors. Yeah, and then I love that I have this knife holder which is magnetic, so yeah. And then this thing that looks like a cabinet is actually my fridge and freezer. So you have my fridge there and the freezer on the lower section. Then I think this was, I got this TV in the house, but then I've never used it because I have my other TV in the living room. Yeah. And then yes, This is my dining area. Just look, and I love how it looks here, you know, and the fact that there's like shelves there if you'd like to do something, or storage, you know. If you love artwork or books, you can just decide what you do with that area. But for me, my favorite part is here because I love just sitting here with friends and eating. If you've seen my previous video, you've probably seen me hosting friends, and you've seen this kitchen on that TikTok. So yeah, and then this door leads to my living room. And I would say that's it majorly. It's just a standard kitchen. So from the door, let's go upstairs because that's where you have the bedrooms and the toilet. This is the primary bedroom, or what you'd call the master, you know. And as you come in, the first thing that meets you by the door is basically my bed. My bed is on this side of the wall because the opposite side here is the window, and it can be cold. So because the heater is behind the bed, I prefer my bed being against it, you know, during winter. Yeah, to just keep me warm. It's a standard size, and for the UK, some people might say this is big because you have your bed and you have some space here. And then what I like about this room, first of all, is this built-in storage, or you can say a built-in bedside drawer. So that's why I love it. And my lamp is, the bedside lamp is there. So I love white beddings, and as you can see, anything to do with white. And this orange throw blanket just came with the house. My landlord bought it and he was like, you might use it, but the rest of the beddings are basically mine. And then above this wall, this mirror that you're seeing here, this one, it was up here, but then it fell, and I don't know. I'll try and see if I can put it back there. And you also have drawers. So I won't open it, but these are bedside drawers. So if you prefer your bed on this side by the window, then you can use those drawers, but for me that's okay. So moving on to this other side, which I would say, and that's why when I say it's big, I'm at the far end of the bedroom, and you can see it's a nice functional room, you know. And there's space. You can move around. If you're a morning workout person and you don't want to go downstairs, you can do a bit of stretching up here. Anyway, back to the house video. So basically, this is my wardrobe. Yeah, it's a big wardrobe actually. You can even stand in there. Like I fit inside. So let me see if we can open. Don't mind how my clothes look, you know. But basically, this is the side. You have drawers. They're not built in, but then they're the IKEA drawers. You can place them inside there. They came with the house. Yeah. And then you have your upper cabinets where I just store my bags there. Yeah. And this is the primary bedroom. Let's explore the second room. So when you open it, yeah, so you can see my bed. I just decorated it with a Masai shuka, and then to just bring a pop of color, because if you've noticed, my house is mainly white and gray. So with the theme, I threw in a bit of color with a Maasai shawl. Closing the door. So it comes with a heater, of course, it's cold here, and then you have your bedside lamp, and then yeah, this is the bed, and it's at the back side because I can see my backyard from here. Yeah, and basically this is what the room has, and then it has a mirror up here, and then you have your chest of drawers. I won't open them, but either way, for more storage, it's very good when you have enough storage so as to avoid clutter. But I also have my normal stuff like hair and deodorants and the face oils that I use on a day-to-day basis there. And then I have a shoe rack. So what I like about this bed is basically, look, it has storage, so more storage for you, you know, like not many houses come with lots of storage in the UK, so you have to buy furniture that makes the house functional for you and makes it have less clutter. Like the less clutter you have, the more pretty and functional a house will be. So basically that's where I store my beddings, and we're going to open it. And yeah, this is your second room. It's small but nice and beautiful. So one thing for sure, I want to say thank you to my landlord, because if you've viewed houses in the UK, most of the furniture is outdated, but in this house, all the furniture that is here, it actually was new. I'm the first person who used it, so thank you to my landlord. Anyway, what do you think? Like, I really love especially this bed and the mattress. It's so cozy. That is my second room. So next we're going to explore the toilet. Yeah. Finally, the bathroom. As you come in, the first thing that you see is the boiler. So this cupboard here, it's not storage, but it's the boiler. My house uses oil, but a good thing is, yeah, you have space where you can put your clothes here, so as the water is hitting, they can actually dry. And then at the corner here, you have more hanging space, like you can hang your towels there. And then you have your heater here, and it comes with a towel rack, so you can also hang your towel here. It really helps to keep it dry. And then on this side is the shower cubicle. So it comes with a shower. There is no bathtub, but yeah, this shower is big. It's enough, you know, and it's good for me. I'm more of a shower person anyway. And then you have, of course, your toilet. And then lastly here with a mirror, it's a mirror cum storage. That's what I would say. So if you open it, you have my essentials in there, my oils, my facial cleanser, and that's all. Like, I don't know what else to say. Basically, this is the bathroom. I've just turned on the lights so it can be slightly brighter. And then yeah, there, see, it's a piece of decoration. I have never figured out the painting, but I like it. Just the bathroom isn't boring, and then that's where I store my tissues. Nothing much to say. So that's the bathroom, guys. All I'm saying is thank you so much for staying with me and enjoying the video of my house. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any thoughts, feel free to share them with me in the comment section. And cheers, see you in the next one. Bye bye.